I'm in Shinjuku right now to meet my inaanak. So here I am, waiting and waiting. Hey inaanak, I'm just right here. Oh. Tararan! Oh, ayan. Ang aking inaanak. Ililibre ako. Papasko. Ano bang gusto ko? Kayo na ang inaanak na maglilibre sa inyo. Wala ka butan. Kanin?
Hindi, ay hindi kanin.
May kanin ba yun?
Mintas. Parang hindi yata kanin.
Ay, hindi ba?
Wait lang. Simasen. Kore tte kome desu ka? Kore kome desu ka?
これはランチ。
あ、ランチしか。
あー、
なるほどですね。
米はここ。
ああ、そうですか。ああ、わかりまし
とりあえずそのままね。
た。ラーメン。これですね。
これ汁がない太麺のラーメン。
そばです。
ありがとうございます。
さあ、
いいよ、いいよ。じゃあ、
いいよ。
pili na. Koray. Pinili ko yung expensive.
Ito diba?
Yes. Arigato.
Tapos sa akin, ano ba sa akin? Ano? Ano, soft drink? Cola? Ano ba?
No, I want just water.
Water lang?
Yeah, meron naman sila.
Wala, ano ba sa akin? Kailangan ko light meal lang. Kain din
nga,
naman.
kain. Hi darling, eto nililibre ako ng inaanak mo. Ay, inaanak mo. Ng anak mo pala. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This is our second time to see each other here in Japan. Thank you. Ayan! Oh, ang dilim! Wow! I love it! Ano to? Lip balm. Parang lip balm na lipstick. Arigato! I'm so excited! Ikaw, gusto mo unboxing? Ako hindi ko na i-unbox. Ito nandito na oh. Pakita mo naman yung ano. I love it! Sandali! Ayan. Love it! Yes. Kailangan gumanon? Oh, syempre. Talagang unbox naman. Unbox naman ni Mel. Pakita mo yung pangalan mo. That is from Ems. I'm so excited! Ang dilim! Wow! Where na you? Arigato. Say arigato. Talaga parang bata. Say arigato. You're welcome. Say arigato, Ems. Ang kulit mo eh. Dapat so pala. Yeah. We're so excited. Woohoo! Ang kulit. Na kami sa waiting area. Wow. Gusto nyo i-check? Doon sa kabila, kung meron sa kabila? Wala. Oh, sige. Ito na yun. Kasi yun naman nakasulit. Okay. Peace in order. Let's eat. Sarap. Second dinner. Wah, gohan na naman ako. Nakadobleng gohan na. Sarap. Wala pa pala yun sa amin.
Ay, nasa ano ngayon ako doon?
Doon sa kinainan nyo? Doon sa may malaking bowl? Yun yun?
Grabe, yung mukha ko eh, ano eh. Kasya?
Oo.
Sobra pa.
Sobra pa. Pwede kang maghilamos.
Malaki talaga.
Palang gana.
Pero ang bilis natin, no? Kahit ang haba, no? Bilis ba yun? Oo. Hindi ko na naramdaman.
Labo din tayo isang oras eh, no?
Yeah.
Grabe.
We're going na. Oh, yan. That's the luggage place. Awesome. Kanya-kanya? Oh, hindi.
Number.
Ano number?
Number.
Number ng upuan?
Number.
Number? Ano ka natin ka?
降りる場所はどこですか？
Saan daw?
Guys, we're going to. Where's your next?
Osaka.
大阪ナンバー
No.
Language barrier. Namba. Akala namin tinatanong ang number. Yung pala, namba kung papunta kami ng Namba, Osaka. Let's go!
Namba pala.
Winda? Tina? It's me! Noemi? And Mel. It's me again. It's us. After 8 hours, we arrived before 6 at Namba Station. December 25, it is Christmas Day. The stores are still closed when we arrived. It's too early, that's why. So it was confusing when we crowded when it was crowded when we get out from the hotel. And it's confusing.
This is Nakay Line, sabi.
From Namba, we were going to hotel. Namba stations going to Shin Osaka Station. Finally, we reached the hotel, and after struggling to find the way and lots of walk and walk and walk. After we drag our luggage into the hotel, we just go straight to Nara. Insert with Mel. Wala akong picture niya.
May amoy.
Nara's over 1,000 deer has become a symbol of the city and have been designated as natural treasure.
Dear, I don't have any deer, so I have you, dear. You have
Kinkakoji, or known as what is that? Known as Golden Pavilion in Kyoto. Shrine. No, it's a temple. And it is one of the most popular building in Kyoto. Golden ano daw? Pavilion. Oh, pictures. Rakusai Chikurin Bamboo Park, or we known as Araishima Bamboo Park. This is located in Rakusai region, southwest of Arashiyama in Kyoto. Is one of the few bamboo botanical parks in the world, they said. It's beautiful. Here we are.
Wondering what should I do? For reasons unknown, I don't need to decide. It's true that I don't have to. I'm tasting no tears, not fighting no.
This is last stop, adventure, and we're having dinner before we go back to hotel. And the next day, go. So we start our day with breakfast, heavy breakfast. Breakfast ng mga heavy breakfast with coffee and corn soup. Tapos lang namin kumain. At kami ay ayan. Thank you. Floor. Thank you.
Parang baba nito.
This is the reality of the room.
Saan? Ito. Hindi Oo, parang hindi ko na makita.
Yan, ganyan. Kasi,
Bumaba?
and that's the room.
Mahigpit lang yun.
Together with me, with myself.
Hara-hara eh.
Ako pa yung para. That's the reality of the room.
Story mo ako.
Okay. And the outside is deceiving. It's sunny day, but it's really cold. Okay. But I already... That's the reality of the room. Okay, we're here at the 12th floor of Karaksa Hotel Grandao pala. And that's the reality of the room we had right now. That's Tin.
Hi! Proud Japino!
And surprise! The two of them is just right here.
Chillin'.
Say
Say yummy.
yeah. And busy sa kanyang meron siyang. Okay, we are here at Karaksa
Hotel Grande, and this is the reality of the room that we had right now. And that's Mel and Tina. It's very busy doing preparing things because we need to check out right now. And our madam with the Sharonian is right there and waiting. And here's the reality of our room beside the window.
Real talaga?
Yeah. We are the 12th floor and we need to go get down right now. Ciao! We are here at Osaka Metro, and this is the exit that we are looking for last night. And everyone, I'm here at Kyoto station, and we were going to Inari Shrine together with the bikers. We scattered right now, and a little bit snowy. It's sunny day, but it's so you can see the snow falling. Anyway, we'll see. Yan, nandito na kami sa Fujimi Inari Shrine. And here we go. We are entering the beautiful malapit lang siya sa Eki. It's beautiful. Nandun lang siya sa Eki. And anyway,
Just take a look
as you can
around.
see, and the big shrine. Ang galing. Pwede mo akong kunan ng jump? I want to jump. Sobrang lamig ngayong araw na ito. Supposed to be nag-i-snow siya. Buti na lang may araw para hindi malakas ang snow. Wow. Dito tayo sa backward. Ayoko nang magmask. Hala, sa daw sa lubong. Pareho pala tayo. Walang mask. Ha? Ano na? Oh no. So we are here. Lakas ng hangin. Ang lasa. Except me. I found one. I found one locker, luckily. We are
As you can see, look at that. Basag ang maleta. At dahil
My most awaited moment.
dito na kami sa Universal Studio Osaka, Japan. Ta-da-da-da! Oh, they're getting ready. Here we go. Nako, low battery ako. Low battery ang inyong lingkod.
Can't help loving myself, and I don't need nobody else. Nuh-uh. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too.
And our last stop, Dotonbori. We've been to ano nga yun? Dotonbori. Wala akong masyadong alam dito kay Dotonbori. Who is Dotonbori? Wala rin akong picture. After this, we go back to the bus station, which is I think in Umeda.